Hey, ladies and gentlemen, this is old Christopher again. Listen, I'm a professional Forex trader. I passed my FTMO challenge 4 days, 2 times. If you're not familiar with FTMO, you ought to check them out. I've got a test. You can get a funded account, $100,000, $200,000. I think the max is $600,000 accounts. I passed a $100,000 test. Anyway, so I've got my credentials here, and I'm making these videos for people invested in the Iraqi dinar. And I want to help. There's a lot of people in this that they don't understand the Forex at all. You can go back and look at my first video. I made it earlier, and I noticed that a lot of people today were upset because the dollar has gained strength. Well, the dollar gained strength today because there was some major news on some economic data reports. You can go to forexfactory.com and you can get these reports every day and you can see what's coming up. Now today, this is Thursday, January the 4th. We had two major red folders, the non-farm employment and the unemployment claims. And we got more dinar news. It's all speculated. We got this coming up. We got some green numbers. They were expecting 120,000. They got 164. So we come back over here and look at the non-farm employment change. It's positive. So we had two red folders today. Red folders are high impact news. As you see over here, high impact expected. So the United States dollar shot up today because of this news. The market works by fundamentals. That's what pushes the markets, okay? You have fundamental drivers. These are fundamental drivers right here. Those are fundamental drivers. It's going to push the market, okay? You always have fundamental drivers. News pushes the markets. The markets don't just go up and down. Those big moves in the market are caused by news releases. You can get the news releases right here, okay? That's why the U.S. dollar moved today. It had nothing to do with the Iraqi dinar losing value. It had to do with the U.S. dollar gaining value, okay? And I'm going to show you where you can go and you can go to tradingview.com and you can get your charts for free. Now this is the Euro USD, okay? And you see how it goes up and down. Okay, that was the last time I was trading. Long time ago, I had these lines here. Those are support resistance zones that are still good today, okay? It's been a while since I was trading professionally, about a year ago, okay? I had some things going on and I haven't traded. I'm about to start trading again though. But in the meantime, I'm here to teach you guys from a professional how to do this. Now you can go to tradingview.com and you can get your charts all for free. I would suggest going there and start looking at the charts. If you want to look at the Iraqi dinar, you're going to come over here and it says search for symbol. Now you can do all kinds of stock things here, but you're going to be looking for the IQD USD. Okay? And then it's going to pop up on your Forex. This is the broker who is, even though it's pegged right now, it's not moving. You can't make any money off of a pegged currency because it's not moving anywhere. Okay, now my chart's going to load up on the IQD USD. And as you can see, it is pegged. See the big candles? It just moves up and down. If you want to change your time frame on TradingView, you come to here. I'm doing each one of these candles is a 4-hour candle. It takes 4 hours for that candle to form and close, okay? So you've got all kinds. You can go and look at the days, the weeks. Let's just go to a higher time frame chart. We're on the 4-hour. Let's go to the 1 week. Let's see what each candle for the week. And see your candles, it's all in a range. That's because it's pegged. Whenever it begins to float, that's when you want to get on the Forex. you want to find you a broker. And if you need help finding brokers, I can show you how to do that. Just all I ask is you like my videos, subscribe, and I'll make more videos, and I'll teach you how to be a professional trader. It's not that hard. The market moves up and down. You want to get in on a trend. You want to get in when it's low, sell high, or you want to sell. And the cool thing about the Forex market is there's always two currencies. You're trading one against the other. So you can make money when it's going down, or you can make money when it's going up. The IQD in this instance, is the primary currency, meaning how many IQDs does it take to make a dollar, or how many IQDs is in a dollar, okay? And these people are always talking about dropping 3 zeros. Well, the way I'm reading it is if you drop 3 zeros right now, your dinar is going to be worth 75 cents. Now, I'm not sure if that's the correct way to read that or not. I'm a trader. I don't know all the politics behind it and all that, but that is the way I read it. So if they drop 3 zeros off of the currency right now, compared to the United States dollar, you're going to have something worth 75 cents, 76 cents, okay? All right. Now then, and that's because the dollar has went up in value today. It has been 77 cents. Okay, so the fluctuations, you've always got to remember there's two currencies. They're not just looking at the IQD, they're looking at the USD too. The USD rose in strength today. So if it falls tomorrow, everybody thinks that the IQD is getting stronger. It's getting stronger. You don't know what the IQD does. If you want to know what the dollar does, you have to come over here and you go to the DXY. Okay, that's the dollar strength. Okay, you come over here and look at the DXY. Okay, and you notice over here how it pulls up all those are your different brokers. A broker is a place you can go to buy or trade these particular commodities. You see what it says right there? US Dollar Currency Index. That's where you want to go to see what the dollar's doing. Anytime you trade, you want to make sure the dollar's, see what kind of trend the dollar's on. Okay, there's what the dollar's doing on the weekly. So that right now is a long-term downtrend. The dollar is getting weaker. Okay, it was way up there at 112, and now it is currently, where is she at? She's at the 105.38. No, she's at the 102.419 level. Dropped way down in the last few weeks. That's how you do that, ladies and gentlemen. A trend is a long-term move. You see over here, you had a long-term move up. You want to ride something up till it peaks out and then it drops down. You want to get in right here when it starts going back up to the next level. You have support resistance levels. You mark those levels off, you learn, and you want to do the highest probability trade that you can. And there's ways to determine that. And if you do the highest probability trades and set your risk to reward right, you're basically trading like a casino, just purely off of technicals. You're going to make money. If you do 50-50 at a 2-to-1 ratio, and you win 50% of your trades, you're going to make money on the. You're going to make twice the amount of money as you lose at 2-to-1. I mean, I know you don't understand that. Let me try to explain it to you. Say I do 10 trades. I've got 50% chance of winning those 10 trades. Okay, 50-50. Okay, so I'm going to win 5. I'm going to lose 5. Let's just say in the perfect world that happens. Okay, let's say at 2-to-1, risk to reward. Every time that I win a trade, I get $2, and every time I lose a trade, I lose $1. So what's going to happen? I lose $5. I lose $5. I win 5. I gain 10. So I made $5, and that's how that works. That's how that works, ladies and gentlemen. So anyway, that's just some trading basics. If you guys like what I'm telling you about trading, feel free to like, subscribe, and I'm going to try to help you guys. So when this Iraqi dinar comes out, you don't have to hold the physical currency, okay? I will teach you how to read these charts And, you know, just like, subscribe, pass my videos on. I'm a professional trader. I've got my documents. I've got whatever you need if you don't believe it. Okay, guys. God bless you. Happy New Year. I do believe that Iraqi dinar, they are working on it. Something will happen soon. I'm going to catch it on the Forex as well. It is an exotic currency. It does cost more from your broker to trade it. But is it worth it? Yeah, especially if it comes out 75 cents and we're expecting it to go up to $3. Each pip, each pip pays depending on your lot size. If you get a micro lot, which is the smallest pip size you can get, that's 10 cents a pip. Okay, and it costs you about $20 to get in that trade. A $200 trade is a mini lot. You make a dollar a pip. Then you carry it up to a standard lot. That's a 1.0. That's going to cost you about $2,000 to get in that trade, and you're making $10 a pip. Now, we can go back here on Forex Factory, and let's go to the main page and look and see how much it moved today. Just on one currency pair. Let's see. Forex Factory. We're going to start over. We're going to go to Forex Factory. Forexfactory.com. Okay. No, I wasn't expecting it to go there, but anyway. We'll get there, ladies and gentlemen. We'll get there. Okay, here we go. We got our scanner at the top. Now it's fixing to tell us. Okay. There's your major pairs right there. All up at the top. That's for Forexfactory.com. Okay. We had a 9 pip move, 15, 1. Okay. So in the last 6 hours, that's how much it's moved. That one has moved 11 pips in the last 6 hours. Now, earlier, it was up around 50-something pips the last 6 hours. But, see, the news came out earlier on the USD, and it really shot up. So, okay. So, at $10 a pip, that would have been $110. It can move 70 to 150 pips. This major pair right here can move 75 to 150 pips in about 5 to 10 minutes when major news comes out. So you wait for the news to come out, you jump on the market, and you pull some serious money very quickly. You can go to my trading page on YouTube, and you can see me. I made over $1,800, $2,000 before in minutes live trading. Ladies and gentlemen, check out my stuff. Feel free to pass it on. No charge. I don't charge anybody. I'm not looking for money. I'm just looking to help you guys out. God bless you. Happy New Year.